Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have joined another inspiration challenge, and this absolutely gorgeous picture is what we were to take our inspiration from. So you could take the colours, shapes, textures, whatever, and make a nail design. So this is the design that I came up with. I really hope that you like it, and I'm going to get straight into the tutorial. So obviously I'm just starting off with a white gel polish. This one is called Mr. White. I'm using a clear jelly stamper plate, and I'm going to be using this image here. So there's a part on the picture where it kind of looks a little bit like old-fashionedly, and it's like the design of it's not actually that clear, so that's why I thought that this image here would be perfect, because I could just basically keep layering colours on top of this until I got the desired look. So I'm using my clear jelly stamper as well, and basically it's just a mix of like pinky and sort of turquoisey colours. So basically I kept going and adding colours until I was happy with the end result. So you can see how it's building up and like covering over the white. And then I just finished off with the lighter colour just to kind of bring it all together. So there you go. I know it looks a bit like a mess at the moment, but it will all come together. So because I'm using gel polish, I can basically wipe all this excess polish that I don't want. I'm kind of doing it half and half on the nail. And it doesn't take off, obviously, the white base underneath. And then I've got this plate. This is a Moyou London plate. I haven't even used it yet, as you can see, because the blue film is still on it. And I wanted this sort of solid image here. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this plate actually. So I'm just doing the purple line, because if you go and look over the picture, you'll see kind of where I've took the inspiration from. So I'm getting rid of the bits that I don't want. I literally just want this solid purple line here. And then I'm going to add that there just to sort of make that look all sharp. By the way, the weird background noise that you may or may not hear is my French bulldog snoring. Yeah, so I'm not making any naughty noises. So for this bit, I basically wanted to add, like, you know, like the bit where on the legs it's a bit more see-through. That's what I was trying to do with this, really. So I've got basically 99% isopropyl alcohol. You can actually probably use less Sharpie pen than I've used, because I wasn't 100% sure where I was going with this, because I was very much ad-libbing with the design, got to be honest. You basically, oh, don't do that. Just keep going over it really until you're happy with the sort of end result. You can see I'm flicking Sharpie pen remnants all over the place. So there you go. And I kind of made it just look that little bit more paler. I probably could have done with doing the bottom half more like a skin colour maybe, but yeah, like I say, I was ad-libbing. And then I wanted to add, like, because obviously there's like next to the blue is this like jagged white look, which I thought looked really cool. So I kind of wanted to interpret that into the design as well. Obviously, this is purposely done for the inspiration challenge, but if you liked aspects of it, if you didn't particularly like all of it, obviously you can see how I've done it and take the bits that you like out of the design. So please go and check out everybody else's design. The hashtag is the inspiration challenge, and you can go and see everybody else's design pictures taken from this exact same picture that I did. So thank you for watching. Please click that free subscribe button and take care, Jelly Babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.